the transition period relating to the UK's departure from the EU ended on the 31st of December 2020. As a result of this, there have been a number of changes to UK intellectual property law. It is important that you are aware of these changes so you know how to use, protect and enforce your trademarks and designs both inside and outside of the UK. If you had a registered trademark or design in the UK prior to the 31st of December 2020, your rights have not changed as a result of the end of the transition period. However, as of the 1st of January 2021, EU trademarks, registered community designs and international trademarks and designs designated in the EU no longer provide protection in the UK. The UK Intellectual Property Office has created comparable UK trademarks and re-registered designs for all rights holders that held a registered right in the EU immediately before 1st of January 2021. This also applies to international trademarks or designs protected in the EU via the World Intellectual Property Organization. Each of the rights created by the Intellectual Property Office have been recorded on the UK Trademarks and Designs Register, have the same legal status as if you had applied for and registered your right under UK law, retain the original filing date and any priority or UK seniority dates, are fully independent UK trademarks and designs that can be challenged, assigned, licensed or renewed separately from the original right. You don't need to file an application for these rights or pay an application fee. You will not receive a UK registration certificate, but you will be able to access details about the rights on our website. EU and international trademarks, designs and registered community designs, which have not been registered by the 31st of December 2020, have until the 30th of September 2021 to retain the earlier filing date. In this case, UK application fees will be payable, and the application will be subject to UK examination and publication requirements. Our digital and paper forms have been amended to include a new section for claiming the earlier filing date of the corresponding application. For more information about how to protect your intellectual property abroad and how your trademark and design rights have changed since the end of the transition period, please visit our business guidance page at www.gov.uk/IPO.